'76 Torino. Look at this one. This is a 124 scale. This is the scale that I collect the most of. But you know what? If they're going to make grade 18 scale cars, like the ones I've been looking at recently, I'll probably flip my collection around. But anyway, you know, I build mostly models in 125th and 124. So when I get a good diecast, I'll try to pick one up. This is a car I have the kit of as well that I haven't done yet. But, you know, I got the diecast and it's cool. I like them because they're collectible. But, you know, this Torino has got some issues. It's got a couple issues with it. It does represent the car well. But, you know, the front end's a little rounded off there. No, sticks out. As you know, you look at these cars, these mid-year Fords, you know, it's a little bit flatter out there. It's not as pointed. Obviously, the slope on that front there is a little bit off, but car sits okay. Starsky and Hutch car definitely had a larger rim in the back. You know, he had bigger tires. It sat jacked up a little bit, so the stance is a little off. But it's still cool. It's got that light and the wire on it. You got your Ford. You get your arrow. Mirrors. A little bit of a paint issue. And the car's kind of flat. It's not gloss. Not gloss. It's a little flat. You can see there a little bit. There she is. Got a simple chassis. There you go. It's got a serial number. So, I mean, they are kind of limited. Simple chassis, nice and tough. Looks good on the shelf, you know. 124 scale. I'd say the scale is about close. Pretty close. These cars are pretty large. Yeah. Real cool car. Real cool car. It's the back. See the deck lid again. You know, you got a small window. Core window is real tiny. A little off. You got a good back end there. This car would have been jacked up a little bit. Would have had duals. Wasn't automatic though, so they got that. Let's see if I can get that in there. There we go. Yep. Console shifter. Torino GT. Steering wheel. Very high and tiny. But it is the Ford 2-spoke. Yep. There's your trim. Get a look at it here. There we go. Well, there it is. 124 scale Greenlight. This is their Starsky and Hutch Torino limited edition. Nice looking car.